Okay, YouTube, so this is for not just a regular video, but this is also for the July Jump Challenge by East Tactics. I figure I put everything all in one video, so I wanted to do another video with the Gravedigger, but his challenge was to build a ramp and to send an RC off of it. And I've already done plenty of videos with my wooden ramp, so I said to myself, what could I do that would be a little bit different? Well, check it out, guys. 3D printer, baby. Got that off of Amazon for Prime Day. Another deal that I got besides the Arlarlo that you guys have seen already. But I said to myself, what cooler way of doing this month than to build a ramp and to send this off of it for the jump challenge. So let me show you guys how the ramp came out. I currently got it taped down onto the floor right now, guys, but I got 3 different pieces right now. As you can see, 2 whites, 1 black piece, kind of sandwiched in there. All 3D printed from my 3D printer. For my first ramp, not bad. I just took a sample project somebody else had already made, but I definitely am going to be making some other 3D ramps, some a little bit bigger, a little bit taller. I've seen some other designs that I like, so I'm gonna go ahead and make those at some point, but I just wanted to practice, guys. And well, now it's time for a little fun, guys. So here's my jump challenge for July for East Tactics. Check it out. Real quick, because I love you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek of the next car that's gonna be in one of my upcoming videos. I have not finished editing this video yet, but I'm gonna let y'all know what I got. Yeah. Yes, sir. How do you like those apples? Let's go.